Hello everybody, and thank you for joining us today. We're really excited to share with you a dried arrangement. So dried flowers are really in vogue at the moment. We've got a nice selection of sort of blues and neutrals and yellows. All of these incidentally you can buy from our website, which is www.trianglenursery.co.uk, where we have a massive array of dried flowers. So I've got some pussy willow, some larkspur, some craspedia, some dried sunflowers, some wild oats and some limonium. Bear in mind that they are, when they're dried, they are quite brittle, so you need to handle them with a little bit of care. The pieces of equipment that I'm using today, well, let's say the essential pieces that I'm using are scissors and some twine. I've also got some parafilm or some stem tape, because I'll show you shortly it's easier sometimes to bind together or to tape together little groups of some of the dried flowers, so that when you put them together in the hand tie they hold together that little bit easier. And then finally I have a recycled container. So hit that like button if you like the video, and obviously if you've got comments we would do welcome them, so pop those in the box below. And more importantly, subscribe, because then you get notifications when all of our new videos are available to view, and we'll be posting those weekly. Alright, so here we go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this has inspired you to have a go at creating dried flower arrangements. It might be something that you've not done before, so hopefully it's inspired you. Do please share your thoughts, put in the message below and hit that like button. And more importantly, subscribe, because then you'll get notifications on all of the new videos that we've got coming out. And we look forward to seeing you again very soon. Bye for now.